Hello everyone and welcome back to our fourth video. Alright, so we've talked about forms, we talked about a few of the different fields we can add to a form. In this form, let's say for example our form starts to get long and we don't want a long form, we want to make sure there's another page. So the next option we're going to talk about is section. So let's add new. If you click on this drop down, there is a section down here. So section, and this allows you to break the page and break the form into two, and you can have as many sections as you want. So in this section I'm going to say let's say continue survey, and I'm going to add a question, and the next element we're going to look at is Likert. Okay. Now, I'm sure you all have seen this many times before, different sites you go to. This basically, it's a scale which is used to allow you to express how much you agree or disagree with a particular statement. It's sort of like ranking it, I guess. So let's go ahead and show you an example. Let's say, for example, evaluate this course. And then we can say strongly disagree. Let's say disagree. And that's another thing. When you sometimes in Microsoft Forms, it gives you options. As you can see, when I typed in strongly disagree, these other options came up. I'm sure some type of machine or artificial intelligence. It kind of figures out what you might type in next. So strongly disagree, we can say neutral, and then we can say agree, and then strongly agree. All right, and then here let our question be I would recommend this course. And then down here we will say I would sign up again. This one we can say the instructor was great. All right, I hope you all would have those feelings for me. Okay, so there we have it. Now let's go and see what it looks like. Don't forget we use the new section and then also the preview. I'm sorry, Likert. So let's go preview it. So I'm just gonna say this. This is a test. I'm going to come down, 5-star always, Microsoft Forms. Let's give it a date. We can move this up, the ranking tool. As you can see, I have a new section. So it cut it off and it puts it on another page, and I can click next. And there is what I just added, the Likert. So I'm going to say agree, 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 and then submit. Thanks. All right, let's go back and let's look at our responses. 24 seconds. And here are our responses for each one. And here was that other question. You remember in the last course, this didn't show up for some reason. So it shows you what the rankings are. And here is the evaluation of the course. So as we start to add more surveys, you start to see some of these colors change. Click on for more details. That's the response. So you can always see the details by clicking on more details. Let me go up here. Okay. Thanks for watching. We're almost there.